Hey guys, it's Jance again. I'm back today with another video. I know I have been gone for quite some time. I'm so sorry. As you guys may know, I hosted a webinar, I believe, a little bit over a week ago. So thank you to all of you guys who tuned in. It was a lot of fun. I was super nervous, but I got through it and it seems that a lot of you guys enjoyed the content. So again, thank you guys for watching. So in today's video, I will be talking about some of my favorite tools to use as a small business owner, or some of the tools that I've used in my job currently. So if you're interested in this topic, please stay tuned. All right, so the first tool that I'm going to talk about today is Facebook Blueprint. I think that's what it's called. So Facebook Blueprint is a wonderful tool for anyone who is interested in learning how to better implement ads through Facebook and Instagram, just in general, who is looking to build their business through social media, in particular Facebook and Instagram. As you know, Facebook owns Instagram, so Facebook Blueprint offers tons of courses that you can take. They're really short, like 4 to 15 minutes, I believe. They're really short, and they offer a bunch of different courses about a ton of different topics. Some of the topics include like creating different types of Facebook ads, deciding how to target what demographic and things of that nature. But yeah, it's a super great tool. It's free. If you have a Facebook business account, you can go onto Facebook right now, type in Facebook Blueprint, and the Facebook page will pop up. Hit the like in the corner, and then hit learn more, and it will take you to the Facebook Blueprint website where you can register for an account, and then you can immediately start taking the courses and learning a little bit more about how to better use Facebook and Instagram for your business. And I'll include some screenshots and little clips and things of one or two of the courses so that you can see what it looks like. Okay, so the next tool that I'm going to talk about is CANVA. Some of you may have heard of CANVA before. It is another free tool. I think they also offer a paid version as well, but I use the free version. I've had a few of you guys ask me how I make my different graphics and things like that for my Instagram. I use CANVA. So basically what CANVA is a free app and it's also on desktop. But you basically can create different types of graphics for various platforms. So they allow you to make square graphics for Instagram, or rectangle ones for Facebook. You can create resumes, different templates. People use it a lot to create workbook templates. There is a ton of things you can use it for. If you guys have received emails from me and you may have wondered how I made it look that way, I used CANVA to create all of the different graphics and things within that email. So CANVA is a wonderful tool. I recommend it to everybody. It makes it super easy to make very professional looking graphics for your business. Okay, so the next tool is kind of twofold. It's two different apps, but they kind of do the same thing. So the first one is Unum. It's spelled U-N-U-M, and the second one is Planoly. So what both of these apps are scheduling tools that you can use in conjunction with your Instagram. And what it allows you to do is see your entire feed, and you can basically plan the order of your posts and decide what's going to be posted when and what it's all going to look like as an end result. So you may have noticed a lot of Instagrammers profiles may look very curated and they look very fancy, or like the filters match, or there just seems to be some type of pattern. It's probably because they use a app like Planoly or Unum, which allows them to plan out what that feed is going to look like in advance. And also what's great about these tools is it will allow you to schedule your posts to post on their own. So you can schedule when and what time you would like them to post. You can create the captions and all of that, and it makes it really simple for you to keep up with your posting on your Instagram. So I love those types of tools. I have a little bit of OCD, So anything that allows me to see what the end result is going to be is so helpful, and I recommend that you guys download it too. So a couple of other tools that I like to use. This is another twofold situation. I like to use the iMovie app. I have an iPhone, so that's only on an Apple product. And I also use InShot, which is not an Apple product, it's an app. But you can use it on Apple or Android. But both of these apps allow me to edit video very quickly from my phone. My friends hate that I say that it's easy, but I do believe it's easy. It just takes some time. Just sit there and play with it. You'll learn. But as you may know, video is like king right now. People love video. They engage very well with video. So anytime I can incorporate video into my social media, I do it. So you may not know this. Actually, you won't know this, but I edit all of the videos for YouTube through InShot or iMovie, or a little bit of a conjunction of both of them together. And these apps, more so InShot, it has free music that you can use for the backgrounds of your video. It has different stickers and effects. I'll even attach some of the stickers and things like that so you guys can see. But it has tons of different options that you can use as effects to add to your videos. And like I said, I personally believe it's really quick and easy to use. So I definitely recommend those apps to you guys as well. The next tools that I'm going to mention here are Excel and Google Sheets. They're basically the same thing, except Google Sheets is through Google. And Excel is through Microsoft. So I personally love to be able to keep track of things on my own. I have systems that do keep track of our inventory and things like that, but I also recommend that you keep track of your inventory on your own, because you never know when these systems may crash or when your data may disappear and you will just be lost, and it's gonna suck. It's gonna suck so bad. But it's helpful if you have it already saved in your own system, on your own hard drive and things like that, so that you can refer to in the future if need be. Again, I have OCD, so I just really enjoy being able to have that at the tip of my fingers whenever I need to reference it. And also, I know Excel and Google Sheets is not the easiest thing to navigate, but it is super easy just to record things. I'm not telling you to like generate formulas and things like that, but it is helpful if you learn how. I taught myself last year to create simple formulas and things like that to keep track of our inventory. I'm also trying to work on creating a template that I can put up on my website for you guys to help you keep track of your inventory, especially when you're first starting out. And I'm going to do a totally separate video about this, about inventory management, because it is so important for you to keep track of your inventory. I won't even go into that because this video will become so much longer and I don't want it to be super long. So again, I recommend that you keep track of your inventory, especially when you're first starting out, and you can do that through Google Sheets or Excel. Alright, so the next tool is FACETUNE. You guys have heard me talk about FACETUNE, I'm sure, on numerous occasions, but I like to use FACETUNE when I am in need of editing photos very quickly, and more specifically when I am editing a photo that has a white background. So you know, right now, like, my wall is white, but when I take a picture, if I take a picture of an item up against that wall, the wall does not appear to be that bright white, and I want it to be bright white because, again, I have OCD. So I use FACETUNE. I'll attach a picture up here, but I use FACETUNE to brighten up the whiteness of my photos because I have OCD, and it just makes the item in the picture pop a lot more if you brighten the background. You can also edit the what's the word? I can't think of the word right now, but basically make the item more bold and more bright and more vivid. I don't know if that's the word, but yeah, so it's a great tool to use. I think they have a free app as well as a paid one. Get the free one because it's free and it does the same thing. We just need the whiteness. That's it. That's the only tool we need. So FACETUNE. Alright, so the next tool that I'm going to mention is an app called Unfold. So this app is I don't know if I would call it a photo editing app, but basically it allows you to create different pictures and layouts for your Instagram stories. I mean, you could use it for other things like a regular post or on Facebook or anything like that, but it looks really great in Facebook and Instagram stories, and I will show you guys what it looks like. But it's a really simple app, has different little templates that you can use to create little layouts for your stories. Super quick. The next tool that I like to use, oh my god, I can't talk. The next tool that I like to use is an app called Legend. So what Legend is a, oh my god, I just said what is a lot. Okay, so Legend is an app that allows you to create moving words within a post. So think of it as a way to get around the whole when you post an ad but it has too many words in it, and then Instagram and Facebook, they don't want to boost it because it has too many words. So what you're going to do is create moving words and not really trick, but kind of trick Facebook and Instagram into believing that you created a video instead of it just being a photo. I'll attach it right here so you guys can see. But another really simple app to use. It's free and I encourage you to download it. Alright, so another tool that I encourage you guys to download, it's an app. I think you can also use it online as well on a desktop. It is called Unsplash. And what Unsplash is, why do I keep saying that sentences like that? Unsplash is that like passive tense? I think I use passive tense a lot. Anyway, Unsplash is a platform that allows you to browse through a bunch of free photos that you can use at your leisure. So, you know, sometimes you don't have anything to post as feelers within your feed and things like that, or you just want to put a message out there but you don't have a picture to go along with it. You can go onto Unsplash, type in a general description of the type of photo you're looking for, and download it and use it for free. It's great. I encourage you to use it whenever possible or whenever you need it. Alright, so the next tool, you guys have actually seen me make an entire video about it, but it is a app called REVERSEE, and what this app allows you to do is to reverse search an image. So I like to use it to see where a picture originated from. As you know, there are tons of companies out there that do not use photos that belong to them, and I'm not talking about like the boutiques or anything like that. I'm talking about like AliExpress or what's the one that I made the video about? I'll put it right here because I can't think of it. But anyway, they steal people's pictures and then they make you believe that they own this item, or the person in the picture bought this item from them, and then you buy this item and you receive it and it looks nothing like the photo, and that's because the photo didn't belong to them in the first place. So this app, REVERSEE, allows you to reverse search an image to see where else that image is being used at. So I personally like to use it as a way to just kind of seal the deal in my head that this image does not belong to the person that I am shopping this item with. You can also use it to see what other boutiques are using that same photo, and you can use it as research to see how much they're selling the item for. Sometimes you might even find what vendor the item originated from. You never know. So I just like to use it as a research tool. That's what it is. It's a research tool. REVERSEE. Download it. It's free. Okay, and then last but not least, my absolute favorite tool to use as a small business owner is Instagram. The greatest, most freest, that's not a word, app out there. I love it. People like visuals, and that is what Instagram is about. And one of the really great parts about Instagram as a business, when you have a business Instagram account, is that they allow you to see insights. And if you were on my Instagram today, you saw me talk about Instagram insights, and it allows you to see your demographics and things of that nature, which is awesome. My sister just walked in the room and she distracted me for a second, but it allows you to see your insights, and it's just a really helpful tool to see, you know, where your audience really is and how they're finding you. if your ads are working, when you are running ads, when you're getting really great engagement on a photo and you didn't pay for it and it's just coming organically. It kind of helps you to know what type of content your audience resonates with. So I love Instagram. It's my absolute favorite. So if you're not using Instagram as a small business owner, what the heck are you doing? Go download Instagram right now. Convert it to a business account if you have one, and you can see all these really great insights. Please download Instagram. Okay. All right, guys, so that is a list of some of the tools that I like to use as a small business owner. I believe all of the ones that I named are free. Some of them have paid versions, which if you would like, you can pay for. I don't advise it, because why would you pay for something that you can get for free? Most of the time the paid version isn't even worth it. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell and so that you can be notified when I post new videos. I just laid out an entire schedule for the entire month of September of when and what I'm going to post throughout the entire month. So be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video, and I hope to see you guys again very soon. Until next time, bye.